In this video, we show you how to increase download speeds on PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You're trying to download a game and it's taking forever. But there are a few simple tricks you can use to significantly speed things up. The most effective way to get faster speeds is using LAN or Ethernet cable. Just plug one end of the cable into the LAN port. Your PS5 will automatically use this connection, which is almost always faster and more stable than Wi-Fi. Next, if you have to use Wi-Fi, you can still optimize it. From the PS5 home screen, go to the top right and select the gear icon to go to settings, and then select network, go to settings, select setup internet connection. And then what you need to do is highlight your connected internet, press the options button on your controller. A menu will appear, select Wi-Fi frequency bands, and change the settings to 5 GHz. And then press the option button again, go to advanced settings, scroll down and set the DNS settings to manual and set it to 1111 and 1001, which is Cloudflare DNS. Select OK. Next, your PS5 downloads much faster when it's in rest mode. When you're trying to download anything, you can press the PS button on your controller, scroll to the right and select power icon, and then we select rest mode.